dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Caroline. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to be cleaning. I'm organizing a cabinet. I'm cleaning out some my fridge. I'm also going to just prep some fruits and just get all kind of stuff done. I'm cleaning my bathroom. That was a nightmare and a half. But anyways, we're gonna get stuff done. I hope that this motivates you to get up and clean something in your house, or if you just want to watch me do it and then you do it later, that works too. Anyways, let's go.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down.
Okay, so for years, I have been stacking my Tupperware like right on top of each other. And I tried putting lids on one side and the bottom piece on the other side and try to keep it organized, and it just didn't work for me. So after I did this, where I put the tops with the bottoms all together and kind of just stack them like that, that is working so well for me. Granted, it does take a lot more space in the cabinets, but I actually use my Tupperware, and if I have too many, then fine. I mean, the ones that are like the disposable ones, those I stack up together, and you know, they're disposable. Once you use them, you can get rid of it. But for the most part, the ones that I have that I store food in after dinner, those I only have a few, and it's been working so good for me to do it this way. So if you find yourself just losing caps or the tops of them or any of that, I definitely recommend putting it together and just stacking them together, and you will find yourself using them a lot more often.
Down, down, down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah.
Okay, I can explain. This is disgusting. I've just been busy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a quick wipe down. Nothing extra, not even pulling anything out, just going to wipe it down. And when I have more energy and less to do, I will do a deep clean. But for now, I'm just gonna get it wiped down because this is nasty. There's yogurt, there's just stuff, there's stuff. I mean, nasty, just nasty. So I got too much to do a deep clean, but for now, we will just do a quick wipe down.
And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know that no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's
Okay, it's wiped down.
no, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down.
I love this pineapple cutter so much. Like, it gives me life every time I cut the pineapples. I want a job just cutting pineapples with this. Like, is there something like that? I'm just kidding. No, but I really love this little thing. I swear people think I'm weird because I have like these little gadgets just for specific fruit or vegetables. And I'm like, you know what? It's totally worth it. At my age, this type of stuff makes me happy. Who can agree? Make sure you like this video if you agree with me that these type of things are life. So this is one of my hot spots in my house, meaning it's an area where I can clean literally once a day, and each and every day it would still get to this point. I have little kids and they like to sit at that little area because there's a Google, and they'll like watch their little videos on there, and they'll put their little dirty feet on my wall and the crumbs fall, and it's like they never even seen it happen. So I constantly have to clean this area, but you know, it's just one of those things. You just deal with it. One day my little boys won't be little anymore, and they'll be grown teenagers, and, you know, I'll miss these times. So for now, I'll enjoy cleaning up after them. That's what I keep telling myself to make myself feel better.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
Okay, you guys know I like to give you a song that I'm loving at the moment. And today's song is called Say Yes by Michelle Williams. It's featuring Beyonce and Kelly Rowland's. This song I love because it's like upbeat, and I put it on before when we're on our way to soccer practice, when the boys are in the car, and we kind of just sing out loud to it, and it's just it gets you in a good mood, and it's just a uplifting song. So I encourage you guys to listen to it because it's a really good one.
Love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love.
Okay, so you guys know, if you've been here for a while, you know, me cleaning my bathroom is the death of me. I promise, oh my goodness, if I could hire someone just to clean my bathroom, I would. I despise cleaning the bathroom. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. It's because it takes forever. Like, it takes me a good hour to an hour and a half to clean my bathroom correctly. Like, obviously you can just wipe it down, which is what I normally do. I wipe it down and keep it pushing. But when I have to like deep clean, oh, it takes me forever. And then it feels like it gets ruined within 5 seconds. Okay. It's just a nightmare every single time. So my bathroom is pretty bad, but I got it done and I'm proud of myself. So I want to encourage you, if you have that one thing that you need to get done, go for it. You got this.
Out loud, don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times.
Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's video and I hope that you got motivated to get up and get something done in your house. And if you just wanted to clean with me, thank you for supporting my channel. Alrighty guys, I love you. Bye.